Rebuilding financially after divorce can be one of the toughest things you ever do. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Taylor Wins, divorce coach, divorce attorney, and divorce mom of 4, and I have been there. I can attest to the fact that you need to be really on your P's and Q's if you're going to keep your head above water financially after the divorce is over. Why it feels so hard is because you're taking a finite amount of money that was your income and your ex's income when you lived together, and instead of that income covering one house, now it's covering living in 2 separate places. And a lot of moms can find themselves in financial ruin because of that. One of the biggest things you can do is have awareness. You cannot fix and plan for what you don't know. So you need to very clearly understand your net income from your job, how much money you're getting in from support, is there money you can bring in from side hustles or other places, so you have a concrete number of what you're working with month over month. Then you need to understand what money is going out. What bills are you responsible for the kids? What money do you have to pay to reimburse your ex? How much is your housing, your utilities? Do you have any room to save? What is your car payment? What's the total picture going out? Done those 2 things and you're underwater, you may need to consider some of the things you're spending on, or you might need to go out and make more money. And then you really need to prepare in advance for bigger things. You might not have the comfort of the equity in your home to borrow against, or your ex's credit card, or extra money in the savings that you used to have before you got a divorce, split them in half, and maybe spent some of them on attorney's fees. Start creating sinking funds for the $3,000 per year per child it costs to register for hockey, or to buy instruments and sporting gear, send the kids to camp. Really encourage moms, assume you have to do it all yourself. Try to live within a budget that's just your income, and so that child support just feels like extra, because unfortunately not everybody's exes continue to pay their support or pay it on time. Everybody's exes follow the court rules and reimburse them for sports activities and medical fees. Everybody's exes don't drag them back to court for little things. So try to create a situation where you feel like you can live your life on your terms without contribution and income from your ex, and then whatever you get is savings and extras for the kids, and then have that sinking fund ready for those big one-time things that you may not get reimbursed for, or if you ever need to return to court for anything about your judgment and decree. Hey, if you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow along so you never miss any updates about support, custody, divorce, and rebuilding after from me.